Today on Rust Belt Airgun, I'm going to review the Tokarev TT-NBB air pistol by Gletcher. SMG, or Sport Manufacturing Group, is an American company that was established in 2008. SMG produces airguns under the name Gletcher and tactical knives under the brand name Steel-Willed Knives. Gletcher specializes in airguns that are replicas of real firearms. These replica airguns are used by owners in the United States for both firearm training and to maintain their shooting skills. In Western Europe, due to the restrictive firearm legislation, Gletcher airguns provide enthusiasts an opportunity to own and fire legendary firearms in airgun form. The Gletcher TT-NBB is an airgun replica of the Soviet Tokarev TT-33 seen in this picture. The Tokarev TT-33, or just Tokarev, is a design influenced by the American Browning M1911 firearm pistol. The Tokarev is the most famous Soviet semi-automatic pistol of World War II. In this picture, the Tokarev TT-33 is being brandished by a Soviet junior political officer as he urges Soviet troops forward against German positions during World War II. The Tokarev pistol served the Soviet Army and a number of Eastern Bloc nations until 1952, when it was replaced with the Makarov seen in this picture. The TT-NBB comes in a handsome cardboard box with a picture of the air pistol and a Soviet hammer and sickle in the background. The bottom of the box displays Gletcher's 18-month warranty on this air pistol. The inside of the TT-NBB cardboard box is decorated as well. The inside flap of the box displays a cool exploded view of the TT-NBB. The lower inside corner of the TT-NBB's box has a cool three-dimensional target. The TT-NBB comes with a manual and a hex key required for CO2 cartridge installation. The TT-NBB is a semi-auto double-action air pistol. It is powered by a 12-gram CO2 cartridge housed in the grip. This air pistol shoots .177 caliber steel BBs at velocities up to 394 FPS. The TT-NBB air pistol has a metal frame and slide. It features a movable hammer but no blowback action. NBB must stand for no blowback. This air pistol has a fixed front and rear sights. The TT-NBB weighs a hefty 1 pound 9.2 ounces, or 714 grams. Its overall length is 7 3/4 inches, or 19.685 centimeters, and its height from the base of the grip to the top of the hammer is 5 inches, or 12.7 centimeters. The TT-NBB's grips are emblazoned with the Soviet star and the letters CCCP, a Russian abbreviation for the Soviet Union, or Union of Soviet Socialist Republics, or USSR. This air pistol even has a lanyard ring like the prototype. The safety is located on the right side of the airgun above the trigger. The safety is unique in that you push the safety button down before you could slide to the safe or fire positions. To engage the TT-NBB safety, push the safety button down, then move towards S. To disengage the TT-NBB safety, push the safety button down again, then move towards F. Engage the safety. The slide can be manually moved. It does not move during firing or stay in the retracted position after all rounds have been expended. When you retract the slide, it also pulls back the hammer, allowing for single action firing. Push down on the slide catch to move the slide back into firing position. Engage the safety. Remove the grip cover. Use the included hex key to turn the cartridge retention screw fully counterclockwise. Place a drop of pellet gun oil or RWS chamber lube on the tip of the CO2 cartridge. Insert the CO2 cartridge tip up into the air pistol. Use the hex key to turn the cartridge retention screw clockwise until you hear the hiss of CO2 entering the air pistol. Replace the grip cover. Disengage the safety when ready to fire. Engage the safety. Press the magazine release button. The magazine will drop from the bottom of the grip. Pull down and lock the plunger in place. Insert up to 18 BBs into the BB loading hole while placing your finger on the backside. Slowly release the plunger. Insert the magazine into the air gun. Disengage the safety when ready to fire. The TT-NBB can be shot in both single and double action mode. Trigger pull is heavy, but consistent through the pull. As you can see, I was able to get all shots within an inch diameter of the target. Accuracy of the TT-NBB is fairly good for a smoothbore air pistol. Although I do like the heft, all-metal construction, and attention to detail the TT-NBB offers, in hindsight, I think I should have paid a little more and purchased the Gletcher TT, highlighted in red in this picture, that is of all-metal construction, but also features blowback action. Please like this post and subscribe to Rust Belt Airgun so that you're alerted to my future posts. Thank you.